Hello everyone, this is Teacher L. For today's video, we're going to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So first we have 1 and 1 over 3. This 1, this is our whole number, and 1 over 3, this is our fraction. So this is a mixed number because it is composed of whole number. Then we have a fraction. So for this example, first we need to convert this whole number into a fraction. So to do that, first we copy the denominator 3. Then we multiply 1 times 3, that is 3. So if we divide 3, that is 1. Then we add 1 over 3. So in addition of fraction, if they have the same denominator, so we just add the numerator and copy the denominator. So first, we have 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then copy lang yung denominator since this is a similar fraction. So we have 4 over 3 as our answer. Next, we have 2 and 5 over 4. So first, we need to convert this whole number into a fraction. So in order to do that, copy muna natin yung denominator na 4. Then we multiply 2 times 4, that is 8. If we simplify 8, 8 divide 4, that is 2. Then add lang natin yung fraction na 5 over 4. So we add 8 plus 5, that is 13. Tapos this is a similar fraction, so copy lang yung denominator na 4. So we have 13 over 4. Then next we have 5 and 3 over 5. So copy natin yung denominator na 5. 5 times 5, that is 25. So this is the fraction of our whole number na 5. 25 divide 5, that is 5. Then we add 5 over 3. Tapos we simplify 25 plus 3, that is 28. Tapos copy lang yung denominator na 5. So we have 28 over 5. Next we have 3 and 7 over 2. First, convert natin tong whole number into a fraction. So, copy natin yung denominator na 2. Then, we multiply 3 times 2, that is 6. If we divide 6 by 2, that is our whole number na 3. Tapos, add lang natin yung 7 over 2. So, 6 plus 7, that is 13. Then, copy lang yung denominator na 2. So, we have 13 over 2. Next, we have 4 and 9 over 8. First, i-convert natin itong whole number into fraction. First, we copy the denominator na 8. We multiply 4 times 8, that is 32. So, if we simplify 32, divide 8, that is 4. So, this is our fraction of our whole number na 4. Then, add lang natin yung 9 over 8. We simplify 32 plus 9, that is 41. Then copy yung denominator na 8. So we have 41 over 8. For our last example, we have 8 and 1 over 7. So first, we convert this whole number into a fraction. So to do that, copy the denominator 7. Then multiply 8 times 7, that is 56. So if we divide 56 by 7, that is equal to 8. So this is its fraction. Then we add 1 over 7. So we simplify 56 plus 1, that is 57. Then copy lang yung denominator na 7. So we have improper fraction na 57 over 7. So this is improper fraction because mas malaki yung numerator compared sa denominator. The same as well dito, mas malaki yung numerator compared sa denominator. That is why tinawag siyang improper fraction.